All right, where is your pain?
Okay. From here.
Okay, come on. 1 second.
Here.
Okay. Tilt it just a little. Here you go. So your pain is right here,
From
all the way
here
down to here.
Like right here.
So that is the GB. Hold on. GB go down to UB. So GB didn't go here. GB go down here,
Yes.
and not here. Is it here hurts or just here? You're here.
You're like here more.
Okay, GB and then go to UB. All right. GB go to UB.
I don't know.
No, because GB go to UB. I'm trying to use one channel, treat the two, but I can't. Sorry.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna cheat a little bit. No worries, I'll take care of it.
Okay.
GB goes to UB. All right, here. Relax. Put your hand down. It's okay. Relax. It's okay. Okay. Tender? Not really. How about here? How about here?
I think.
Tender? Tender? No? Okay.
Here.
Here?
Yeah. Here.
Here? Okay, all right, relax.
Here more.
Good. Okay. Okay, move your shoulder. Where is the pain?
I feel like neck area much better, and then.
Neck area much better, and the back mostly like lower. Oh, even lower. So
little
yeah,
lower.
we're gonna go chase your pain down. One more needle down. So that would be small intestine, and then this is sanjiao.
Okay.
How you feel?
I feel better.
Much
And,
better or a little better? Going down, continue.
Much better, but moved to like
Small intestine
Yeah,
here
yeah.
in the shoulder blade. Is it right here?
higher.
Right here? Right here?
outside.
Right here? Sanjiao? Right here?
Yeah.
Pain right here?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay, system number 6, small intestine treat small intestine,
Okay.
same side or opposite side. Okay. So I continue put needle in small intestine, treat the small intestine. So do you see what I do? Small intestine balance the urinary bladder, system number 1. But the pain went down to the scapula lower, so that is become small intestine. So I thinking small intestine treating small intestine, so I still following small intestine channel, continue going. How you feel?
Yeah, I do feel better.
Better?
Better.
How much better? No, sorry. How much pain you have? I shouldn't say how much better.
Well, I feel like I think at least 60% better.
60% better. Okay.